Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast, and let's bring you an exclusive now. There is a very small chance of a soft landing, says JPMorgan's chairman and CEO Jamie Dimon. Speaking to CNBC-TV18, he hints at the possibility of a hard or mild recession and warns of fickle market conditions. This is especially with regard to emerging markets. So let's listen in to that chat.
One thing I could project with certainty is volatility in the markets. And because you can't have all this turbulence, this is going to go on for a while. Yet you don't know where rates are going to change. The dollar is very strong. America is still strong. Is it going to be a recession? What's the real effect of QT and getting rid of negative rates? Europe is probably going to recession. That creates huge amounts of volatility. And unfortunately, that kind of volatility, I mean, you look at emerging markets and the strong dollar, you have to go country by country. Markets can get pretty fickle, particularly when you're investing in emerging markets, venture capital, things where small changes in assumptions can change the value of what you think something's worth quite a bit. So they should be braced for flow of funds that they don't particularly like. And the other thing about the dollar is that an economy which is outperforming other people relative to expectations will probably have a stronger currency. And America is still outperforming, I think, what most people kind of expect, and that may go on for a while. So the dollar may not strengthen, but I'm not sure you're going to see it weaken either. A soft landing is probably a very small chance at this point, but mild recession, hard recession, they're all possible. And it's hard for me to give them odds, but they're all kind of possible. And remember, when I say get ready for it, I'm also talking to companies and investors where my real point is we're prepared for it so we can serve our clients. We're going to be serving clients in India regardless of whether it's a hurricane or a mild storm.
All right, very interesting chat, and you can catch excerpts of this conversation all day today only on CNBC TV18. With that, we're going to get into a short break now, but you don't go anywhere because when we come back, we're tracking all of the action from the commodity markets. Stay tuned for that.